Welcome to Abstralbras. In this video, I will show you how to create a second YouTube channel. To do that, open studio.youtube.com in browser and log in using your Gmail or Google account. Or open youtube.com in browser, log in and click profile icon. Then select YouTube Studio. Once inside YouTube Studio, at the bottom left click Settings. From the left, select Channel, click Advanced Settings. Scroll down, click Manage YouTube Account. From here, click Create a new channel. Give this channel a name and a handle. Handle will be part of your YouTube channel. After that, click Create Channel button. And the channel will be created. You can ignore this message. To switch to that channel, click Profile icon, go to YouTube Studio. And there you will be inside your second YouTube channel that we just created. If you want to switch to previous channel, from YouTube Studio or youtube.com, click profile icon, click switch account, and then from here you will be able to select which channel to view in YouTube Studio. This is how you create a second YouTube channel or more YouTube channels and switch to any channel you like. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.